Hi everyone, welcome to Performance Testing Training channel. This is Mohan. I'll provide training on JMeter, NeoLoad as well as load runner tools. So recently I came across one question which was asked in one of the good YouTube channel. So let's quickly try to understand the requirement first, right? So based on that requirement, we'll also see how we can implement that and how we can fulfill that requirement. Okay. So the requirement here is we have a text. Okay, we have a text here. So from this particular text, right, so we need to extract one value. Okay, that is the code value, right? That means we need to extract this specific value which I am highlighting right now, right? So the expected value should be in this format, right? So we need to extract this value first, and then we need to remove this symbol from here, right? So finally, the expected value should come like this, right? So in order to get this kind of expected value, right? So without writing a single line of code, we can achieve this, right? So how we can achieve this, we'll try to see it practically right now, right? So first, let me clear all the recordings here. Sorry. Yeah. So once after clearing this, let's go to the script, right? So this is the sample script, guys, which I've developed in order to explain you this process. So in this sample script, I have used the dummy sampler, right? So in this dummy sampler, I have created one dummy request, right? And in the response, right, I kept that entire text. Okay, so whatever that is required over here, right? So if like I'm just removing this, this is not required in this case, right? So I'm just keeping only some part of the text, right? So our aim is to extract this value and to remove this hyphen, right? So in order to achieve this, right, what I did is I used a regular expression extractor, right? So in the regular expression extractor, right, we know how to extract these values through the regular expression extractor, right? So this is the regular expression that I have written in order to extract the values, right? So wherever the X, Y, Z, 1, 2, 3, 4, and ABC are there, right? These values are there. So in those places, right, I kept dot star question mark in brackets. Okay. So once after keeping like this, so the in the template, right, as we have like three different templates, so we need to keep the template in this fashion, guys. So $1, $2, and $3, right? So if we are going to keep in this way, right, then automatically whatever the variable name that you're going to provide here, so this variable name will have a value as per the expected thing, right? So the expected value here is this format, right? XYZ 1, 2, 3, 4 and ABC, right? So now let's try to execute this, right, and see whether we are going to achieve this kind of requirement or not, right? So let me quickly clear everything. So I'm running this particular thread group. Okay. So see if you see here, right? So this one got executed successfully as it is a dummy sampler, right? So if I go to the debug sampler, right, and if I go to the response body of the debug sampler, here I can see the value of code, right? So the code here is XYZ1234 ABC, right? So this is the expected value, okay, that we already discussed, and we achieved this expected value over here successfully, right? If you want to pass this expected value in any other request, you can simply pass this code as a variable, guys, so that you can achieve this kind of request easily, right? So this is one basic way of doing the correlation here, right? So that's all for this particular session, guys. Thank you.